Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We're taking a quick look today at the HeartSine 350P AED machine. We're going to take a look here at the rugged travel case it comes with. We have the option here for the pediatric pad pack. We'll talk more about pad packs in a minute, as well as some features and functions of the device itself. So this is a really unique model AED in the sense that it is the most lightweight and rugged out there. It has a high IP rating of 56, which means that it can withstand dust and moisture pretty well. It's really easy, user-friendly, simple to use. In terms of its use, we have with the 350P, this is the semi-automatic device. In other words, it has a shock button. Once you turn the device on by hitting the green button here, it will audibly prompt you through all of the use of the device itself. It also has a really cool feature in terms of visual displays, both on the face of the device, as well as the pad pack on the back of the device as well. Notice that this device here comes with a battery and pad pack together. They're not sold separately, they're sold as one unit. Really easy to replace that, so in the event that you have an expiration on battery or pads, you simply slide out the pad pack, purchase a new pad pack, slide it in. You have a new machine that's good to last you a battery life of 4 years. Okay, so it's really easy to follow. It's audibly prompted. It talks you through and walks you through step by step in terms of its use, which is a really cool and unique feature of the device as well. We also have here the pad pack for pediatrics. So again, under 8 years old or typically less than 55 pounds in weight is what we classify as pediatric. And we have separate pad placement here. We have pictures on the back of this pad pack as well as on the pads themselves. And what we can do is take this pad pack out if we're in a pediatric setting, and we would simply slide it into the back of the device. Once it's in here, we now have a pediatric machine, in which we have a shock dose, a difference in shock dose, the amount of shock that it delivers. The other cool thing is that this is one of the most lightweight and rugged in the market. It comes with this really tough and durable case that you can keep your device in. It only weighs 2.4 pounds, which means it's very easy to travel with, move with. This is one of those devices that we highly recommend, and when we get the question in our classes a lot, especially those that do some wilderness or remote type thing or travel via vehicle, this is a really good, easy device to move and transport. The battery life typically is 6 hours or 30 shocks in this device right here, and it comes with the semi-automatic version as well as the fully automatic version. So the fully automatic version of this device means that there is no shock button. So it's completely automated. All you do is turn it on and follow the prompts, and then it even delivers the shock on its own. That's called the HeartSine 360P. What we have here is the HeartSine 350, right? So the 350 is the semi-automatic, which it does have a shock button, which is that heart button right there. If it determines shock is advised, it will start flashing. Press that button, deliver the shock. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, taking a look at the HeartSine 350P, again manufactured by Stryker. And if you have any questions or if you're looking to purchase an AED, there's some links below that you can follow. We're happy to help you out, talk you through the process and what would be a best fit for you or your organization regarding your AED compliance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks.